Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting tutorial on artificial intelligence strategies. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of alpha-beta pruning, a crucial concept in game tree search algorithms. Alpha-beta pruning is a technique that optimizes the minimax algorithm, significantly reducing the number of nodes evaluated in a search tree. Imagine playing chess or tic-tac-toe. Alpha-beta pruning helps AI make smarter decisions by efficiently pruning unnecessary branches. Let's break it down. As we traverse the game tree, alpha-beta pruning eliminates branches that won't affect the final decision, saving computational resources. This not only speeds up the process, but also enhances the AI's decision-making accuracy. Consider a simple tic-tac-toe scenario. We'll demonstrate how alpha-beta pruning eliminates redundant possibilities, showcasing its power in streamlining the decision-making process. In summary, alpha-beta pruning is a game-changer in AI, revolutionizing the efficiency of decision trees. Understanding this strategy empowers AI developers to create more intelligent and resource-efficient algorithms. Stay tuned for more insights, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future AI tutorials. Happy coding!